I remember it like it was yesterday. I was a teacher with 4 years of experience teaching kindergarten in Alabama, and then suddenly I was thrown into the world of fourth grade with little curriculum and no resources other than one-to-one iPads. I didn't know how to structure my literacy block, and I didn't know what teaching fourth grade ELA should look like. So I did what any teacher in my position would do. I devoured all the books by authors that we know and love, and I searched online looking for the best solution. By the end of that year, I had created a hodgepodge of an ELA block, a ton of little strategies that made no sense together or offered a lot of value. And this resulted in being a stressed out, overworked wife and mom. After that year, I started my own research to go back to the basics and locate the best teaching strategies that were simple and effective in the classroom. I devoted more time to understanding my standards both as a fourth grade teacher, but also from a vertical lens to learn the differences between the grade levels. And more importantly, I searched for a solution to make learning authentic and rigorous. My classroom transformed, and so can yours. If you're tired of trying to mesh together the random activities you do in a day and want to start looking for ways to create a seamless literacy block, then this book is for you. In Building the Literacy Block, I share how to structure your block, including components of an effective block and activities to give you ideas for each. I offer guidance on how to kick off the beginning of the school year or how to have a refresher mid-year, because we all need those refreshers. And I dig deep into how to create an effective mini lesson and how this translates to what students are working on independently. Finally, I talk about how to build the love of reading and create independence through goal setting and conferences. This is truly a step-by-step on how I have structured my own literacy block that helps to support upper elementary students while at the same time decreasing the stress and planning in teachers. No matter if you're a brand new teacher or a veteran teacher, this book will give you the strategies and examples that will support you in crafting your ideal literacy block. This is the book that you wish you would have had your first year teaching upper elementary. I've created a classroom where students are excited to learn and where I've stopped spending hours online and started spending more time with family and friends. So if you are ready to let go of the old curriculums and start crafting a literacy block that is simple and effective, then click the button below and grab a copy of Building the Literacy Block today.